Hi everyone. I'm trying to introduce microwave oven. This is microwave oven, and it is used for the sample to heat and make some procedure to synthesize. So there's two kind of sample tube, which is for 10 milliliter and 35 milliliter, and you can fill maximum half of the tube for your sample synthesizing. And if you want to put this sample tube to this microwave oven, you should put a cap for 10 milliliter and 35 milliliter. There's a different kind of cap, so you should put the cap like this. And if you put the cap on the tube, there's a two kind of plate. So the tube frame for 35 milliliter and 10 milliliter, and I choose the 10 milliliter sample tube, so I will put a 10 milliliter sample tube plate. So if you put like this, there is a click sound, and you can put this sample tube on. So after you put your sample on the microwave oven, you should press this button for pressure. So if you see the screen, there will be this page, and there is a lot of methods you can use. There like a standard mode and dynamic mode and fixed power mode and power cycling mode. Usually you will use this fixed power mode because almost every MOF synthesis is proceeding by fixed power mode. If you choose the standard mode, there will be like this page, and in this P you can press P, and P there will be the temperature and time you want to choose. This is the standard mode, and if you choose the dynamic mode, there will be this temperature and power and time. So this is the stage 1. As you can see, you can choose more stages because there will be 2 or more cycles to make some material. So this dynamic mode is used for the many cycles. So you can choose first stage the temperature to be changed, and second stage power to be changed, or something like that. You can choose everything. So lastly, there is a fixed power mode. So if you choose the fixed power mode, you can press P button. There is a power, time, and temperature, and the fixed power mode is technically fixing the power. So I think that almost many MOF synthesis are using this mode. So when you go to the home button, you can put your sample on to the microwave oven and press this button, and the lid will come out, and this will be closed, and the synthesize will be proceeding. After this method is done, there will be the cooling time for this sample to be cooled, because the temperature will be almost 300 or 200 Celsius. So after the cooling, you can take out your sample for your analysis or another experiment. Thank you.